How to delete Twitter profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete Twitter profile picture. Now to delete profile picture, if you open up Twitter here and head into profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on profile option here, you can see you'll be able to change, edit profile picture. But if you tap on three dots, you'll be able to share, you will be able to save, you'll be able to open in browser, you'll be able to change your profile picture, but you won't be able to delete the profile picture once you upload it. Now the trick here is, what you want to do is head into your phone browser. Here you can see I've opened up my browser here, and on browser searching for Twitter default profile picture, head into images, and now you want to download the default profile picture of Twitter. Now let this load up, and once it loads up, what you want to do is download the picture here. Simply tap and hold and then tap on download image and it'll be downloaded. Head back to Twitter, head into your profile, tap on the profile picture and then tap on edit option and tap on take photo or choose existing photo. Simply tap on choose existing photo and it'll ask you for device permission and choose the profile picture that you just downloaded. You can see I downloaded the default profile picture, and then tap on use and it'll be updated. So this way you can delete Twitter profile picture, and once you do it, your profile picture will be changed to default profile picture that you just uploaded. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.